This is about to get nuts. Here's my buddy Colby.
This dude's getting married.
Getting married.
The bachelor party arrived.
Got it!
Our base camp was Alta Lakes, 11,000 feet above sea level.
Oh! Yeah, that's the key!
From there, we geared up for the climb of our lives.
Now you've been summoned for a special occasion. I stay ready cause destiny impatient. Changes, I've been seeing changes. If you talking fire, then we speak the same language. And mine don't ever get extended.
A lot of the first part was off cable, so there was no chance you wanted to fall. But when stuff got really hectic, that was time to lock in.
You have any famous last words?
Yeah, right. I hope this harness works.
Coming up, I'm coming up. Feel the rush, I feel the rush.
Definitely a don't look down moment. Oops.
Legendary, what you call it? Feel the vibe.
This is wild.
Extra live, I'm extra live, and I don't need improvement. Fell asleep, a man woke up superhuman.
I don't even know how to explain this.
Definitely feeling alive right now. Definitely feeling alive.
We heard there's a waterfall across the way. Of course I brought my fins.
It's gonna be a frosty swim right there.
Two crickets are chirping in the middle of the night, baby.
We found part of the snowmelt feeding into the lake, but the stuff coming down the waterfall was a whole new level of cold.
Together on a patch of grass
Only one way to prove it.
beneath the moon, beneath the stars.
That rush was exactly what we were feeling back on the side of that mountain.
We're in a rock and a hard place right now.
Victory!
We made it to the midpoint and caught our breath before the next run.
Alright. We're good to go.
Now we celebrate. That night, we prepared for the next day's challenge.
First yoga session.
Out in front of you.
Official yoga beer.
And I could pray that you'd stay by my side.
wild things go on.